Many Apple Watch fans have probably used one. Today's repair involves an Apple Watch Series 4. The screen is shattered. Luckily, the touch and display are working fine. Let's start the repair. The damage is quite severe. First, let's use tweezers to remove the broken glass. To prevent scratches, touch and display. The screen is carefully separated using a thin blade. The screen is flipped open from one side. A linear motor and a battery are visible. Now, let's remove the screen. We'll release the clips, separate the screen, and apply UV glue. A used screen protector is placed on top of the screen. Then, it's placed under a UV lamp for curing. After that, it's put into a separating machine. The outer screen is carefully separated using a thin wire. The remaining adhesive on the screen is cleaned. The screen is wiped clean with a lint-free cloth. Looks perfect. Next, a new outer screen is positioned. Then it's placed in a flattening machine for secondary bonding. There are many air bubbles on the bonded screen, so it needs to be placed in a vacuum degassing machine. Degassing. Waiting for the process to complete. Looks like new. Next, we'll replace the battery. Unscrew the battery connector. Fixing screws. Disconnect the battery connector. Okay. Here's our new battery. Now let's start assembling. Gently press down. Connect the screen. Power on test successful. All functions are working perfectly. Finally, let's restore the watch's airtight seal. Apply waterproof adhesive. Secure it with tape. Wait for the adhesive to fully cure. It's ready to be shipped.